Welcome to our channel. Today we how to sync Google Photos to MacBook quick fix step by step clearly. Open your Google Photos webpage in your preferred web browser. Sign in to your Google account if prompted. Once logged in, locate and click on the settings icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Upload from Computer. Download and install the Google Backup and Sync application from the official Google website. Once installed, open the Backup and Sync application. You'll be prompted to sign in to your Google account. After signing in, choose the folders on your MacBook that you want to back up to Google Photos. Make sure to select the option to backup photos. You can choose the size of the photos to upload, either original quality or high quality. Click on the Next button to proceed. Now you'll see options to sync photos and videos from Google Photos to your MacBook. Check the box next to Sync my drive to this computer. Select the folders from Google Drive that you want to sync. Click Start to begin the syncing process. Wait for the application to upload and sync your selected files. You can monitor the progress in the Backup and Sync application. Once complete, open the Google Photos web app on your MacBook to see your synced photos. You will now have access to your Google Photos library directly from your MacBook. Enjoy your organized and synced photos. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.